Welcome to this short Australian College video on using SME Server. In this video we're actually going to have a look at setting up some groups. Now, I'm assuming that you're actually within your SME Server panel and using your up and down arrow. So you can use your tab key to move to the various panes. But we're going to have a look at groups. Hitting the right arrow will actually bring up the groups page. Tabbing across, we get to add a group, and it says by default there are no user groups in the system, so we're just going to highlight the add group, make sure it's highlighted, then hit enter, and once again you actually have a screen that you use your down arrow and up arrow to move through. So we're going to give it a group name. Once again, as normal in the Linux environment, it has to start with a lowercase letter, so I'm going to call my group trainers, so I'm a trainer, and input a brief description of the field below. This field also designates the group name viewable by Windows clients, so it's something that actually in IT trainers, and using my down arrow key, sorry, the tab key second, I can actually choose the group members. Now, I'm not going to make the administrator one. Simply by highlighting this area here and hitting enter, it will place an X. If I make a mistake, I hit enter again. So enter places it in or removes it, as the case may be. So I'll add myself to the IT trainers group, or the trainers group, and go down and hit add. In a short period of time, it'll say operation status report, successfully create a user group, trainers, description is the IT trainers, and I can modify it or remove. Now, the modifying one is the one that is used most often. This is simply using my up and down arrow keys to move through these. By modifying it, if I add extra users at a later point in time to this group, I simply come into the modify area, highlight the users I'd like to add, or if I want to remove users from the group, exactly the same process. As you can see, it's a very simple and straightforward process creating user groups in a Linux environment. Thank you.